Good afternoon, dear students. Once again, I am sharing the model answers of few students. So here, this is answers. The theory of income determination is of a core of macroeconomics, and the answer is wrong by the students. And the answer is correct. Answer is macroeconomics deals with the study of national aggregates. It is known as income analysis because it studies the theory of national income in relation to the other macroeconomic variables such as employment, inflation, and growth. So, again, next question. It is correct, so I am skipping this. Now, third question. Microeconomics theory assumes full employment. It is true or false? Okay, and the student's answer is incorrect. Correct answer is microeconomics deals with the partial equilibrium. Sorry, microeconomics I wrongly read. It is a microeconomics, not macro. So microeconomics theory assumes full employment. Okay, this is the answer is incorrect. Actually, macroeconomics in where the Keynes talks about the employment theory, full employment theory. Okay, theory of employment, excess demand, deficient demand, all these things. So here, by mistake, I read like that. But when I was just reading the answers, I come to know that it's wrongly seen. Okay, so answer correct. Once again, microeconomics theory assumes full employment. Okay, so here's true or false. So students has wrongly answered microeconomics, MICRO. Microeconomics deals with the partial equilibrium analysis. Hence, an important fact about microeconomics is that its study assumes the prevalence of full employment so that it does not affect the equilibrium. Okay, now next question is this is correct, so I am skipping this. This is incorrect. Question is the following statements true or false? Give reasons. Okay, in final goods, no value is to be added. Answer is solution क्या है इसका? This is because final goods have crossed the production boundary. अभी 2 दिन पहले हमने इस पर चर्चा किया था कि इन फाइनल गुड्स नो वैल्यू इज टू बी एडेड. ये एक ट्रू है. ओके, इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स में वैल्यू एडिशन होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. It is correct, so I am skipping this. This is also correct. I am skipping. Okay. Now this is incorrect. Which of the following is not a characteristics of a firm that is a key group in a two sector model? Okay. तो यहाँ पर इस बच्चे ने गलत किया है. इसका सही आंसर क्या है? A household consists of all the individuals in a home. Households supply the factors of production, particularly labor, which is used by firms to make goods and services. Households use the income they receive from selling the factors of production to purchase goods and services which are supplied by firms. The money earned through this is again used by firms to buy the factors of production for use. Household own the other factors of production as well directly or indirectly by owning the firms that own these resources. All the firms are owned by households. Small firms, for example, a neighborhood restaurants, can be owned by one person. Large firms, for example, like Reliance, will be owned by millions of households that own shares in them. The firms pay profits to the people who own them. These firms are paying for using the capital and natural resources given to them by the owners. So we can generalize by saying that in factor markets, households are suppliers and firms are demanders. Next question. This is correct, so I am skipping it. This is also correct. This is wrong. Inflows and outflows on account of private transfers, as for example by an NRI, non-resident Indian, are called, क्या कहा जाता है उसको? Inflows and outflows on account of private transfers, as for example by NRI, are called what? Solution is it is one of the sources of a national income from abroad. Private remittances, money earned by government due to transfer of money by NRI working abroad to his family living in the country. ओके, तो उसको प्राइवेट रेमिटेंसेस के अंतर्गत शामिल करते हैं. इट इज सिंपली स्टेटेड एज इनफ्लोज एंड आउटफ्लोज ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ प्राइवेट ट्रांसफर as for example NRI. Okay, next question, it is correct, so skipping. So total, this and answer sheet we can see. So total out of 13 question, this boy has correctly answered and incorrectly answered. So he has not skipped any question, but 1 2 3 4 5 questions are wrong, and he needs to improve. Okay, thank you.